What's going on, guys? As you can see, $2,900 right here, $2,800 day here, a $3,000 day here. Guys, I'm going to show you how to make over $2,000 per day on YouTube as a complete beginner and without showing your face, getting on camera, creating content, or even showing your face. I'm going to show you an exact step-by-step tutorial on how you can start a lucrative YouTube channel in 2021 and make over $2,000 per day as a complete beginner. Now guys, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a lucrative YouTube channel that pays insanely well. And I'm going to show you proof of some channels doing this, both large channels and brand new channels that are using this exact same method, okay? I'm also going to show you how to create YouTube videos without showing your face, without being on camera, and without creating any content or using your voice. I'm also going to show you how to use two different softwares that do 95% of the work, and these softwares are absolutely free to use. And guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can even make more money with this method. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, please subscribe because I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day about how to make money online, about affiliate marketing, and more importantly, how you can grow your business and brand starting from scratch. So if you're brand new to my channel, guys, please subscribe. I'm coming with content almost every single day. Now let's get into this. The first software we're going to be talking about is going to be blender.org. Okay guys, this is an amazing software because what it does is it creates these AI type videos, basically these virtual videos, absolutely free, okay? And this is 100% free software to use. You can see here, open source 3D creation, free to use on any purpose forever, okay? So you can download this software. I'm going to show you how to use this software in a little bit and how you can find free tutorials. But guys, this is an amazing software to use if you're looking to create videos without even having to create your own videos at all, okay? Now I'm going to kind of scroll down here, guys, and kind of show you the videos that you can make with this. But here are some of the features here, okay? Look at the type of videos you can do. You can do sculpting type videos. You can do modeling type videos. You can do even rendering, tons of different types of videos to do, okay? I'm going to show you how to use this in just a little bit, guys, but I just want to show you the power of this software, okay? Because you don't actually have to make any videos yourself. As you know, YouTube is one of the best ways to make money online in 2021. And most people, what holds them back is creating the content, getting on camera, stuff like that, okay? With this software, you don't have to do any of that. I'm also even going to show you how to use someone else's voiceover so you don't even have to use your own, okay? But guys, this is an absolutely free software. All you got to do is go to blender.org, and if you go to the top here, just go to this download Blender right here, and it's going to download this first software. Okay, now this is the first one we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you some proof of people using this software. Okay, this is the first YouTube channel. I don't even know how to say his name. Rodrus Burton. Okay, now he uses this software to create these animations. Okay, now you can see here this is in the fitness niche. Okay, he's showing people how to do workouts in the fitness niche, okay, which is insane, right? Because he can actually do a whole workout absolutely free using this software here, okay? Now let me show you how this works, okay? This is just one of his videos here, okay? So you can see here, he's literally showing people how to do crunches, you know, with this software here, okay? It's just an AI software. What you do is you create this avatar, sorry about that. You create this avatar here of your face or anything you want, and then the software, you tell the software what you want it to do, okay? That's what this blender.org software does, okay? Now this is a smaller channel I just started, but you can see here they get 14,000 views just with one of his videos here. And this is a small channel, guys, okay? This is a small channel that just recently started not that long ago, okay? You can see he's not even super consistent with his content here, and he's still getting a decent amount of views, okay? Now here's another one here. This is a bit of a larger one here, but this is Roberta's Gym, okay? Now this channel, all they do, okay, over 3 million subscribers, okay? All they do is use this software right here, blender.org, to create these types of videos, okay? Now, they have a ton of videos right here. They've been doing this for a while, but let me just show you kind of what it looks like. It's going to be the same concept, right? They have an avatar, and all they do is go through these workouts. Let me just show you a quick clip real quick.
2, 1, go. 1.
So you can see they have this AI software and this AI voice talking about how to work out, right? So insanely lucrative type of channel, right? You can see here, this one just posted this morning, already 8,000 views. It literally just posted like an hour ago. I just pulled this up right now. Today's February 1st. And guys, this channel gets tons and tons and tons of views, okay? Let me just show you. This is the exact channel right here, Roberta's Gym. They make close to over $77,000 per month. Now, I'm a YouTuber. I know how much YouTubers make, and this is actually an extremely low estimation on how much this channel makes. I promise you and guarantee you this channel makes way more than $77,000 per month, and even more than $2,000 per day, okay? Because I know the CPM, I know how it works, and this is just a very, very low estimate, okay? This is just an average of all the channels. They don't actually know how much these people make, okay? But I just wanted to show you that how easy it is to do this, okay? Now, there's another software I want to talk about, and you know, I want to show you how you can use this blender.org software. But really easy, guys. Just go to youtube.com and just type in blender.org tutorial for beginners, and you're going to see all these tutorials here. Okay, it's going to literally show you how to use this software. I'm not going to show you how to use it now because you do have to learn how to use it. You know, you are working with 3D objects and AI type software. But once you learn how to use it, you can create these types of videos, right? You never have to be on camera. You never have to show your face or your body, anything like that, because this software literally does everything for you, okay? So if you just go to blender.org tutorials for beginners or something of that nature, all these videos here are going to literally show you how to use the software, okay? Now the second one I want to mention, this one's the one I use mostly for one of my other channels, is Vidnami, okay? This is an absolutely amazing software to use, because what happens is you actually give them a script and they're going to make a video for you, okay? I'm going to show you an example of that in just a second, but this is one of my channels right here, okay? This is the script I gave them right here, and what they do is they actually create a video based on the script, okay? I'm going to show you how this works, okay? But if I click play,
everywhere. It's the new buzzword, the new favorite among those looking to shed pounds, and the new hate victim.
So same thing. It's basically a health type video, and this is, you can see, this is my channel here. This is kind of my test channel, okay? Jonathan Montoya. This is a smaller channel, as you can see. It's a test, but what I wanted to show you is that you can make these type of videos basically with this Vidnami software, okay? Now, basically, guys, this is free to use. You can try it for free, but let me just show you how this works, okay? So I'm going to go to my account here, and I'm going to create a video for you, okay? So I'm going to go to, let me go to my videos. I'm going to hit create new video here. And this is going to be like, they ask you what type of template you want to use here. I'm just going to pick a random one. It doesn't really matter, guys, because you can fix it. I'm going to go to the cool blue here, and then I'm going to hit use this template, okay? Let me shrink this a little bit so you guys can see a little better. Now, the title of your video is going to be whatever you want. I'm just going to put health number 2. Now, for the script of the video, okay, this is kind of a ninja tactic and something that you got to be careful with, okay, because I don't want you guys copying these videos. Now, what you can do here, let's just say you go to this video and you want to copy my video, right? You can actually go to these 3 dots right here and hit open transcript, okay? Now, you do need a specific tool for this. You need vidIQ, okay? So this is vidIQ. It's just a Chrome extension. This is at the top right here. You can see I'm using vidIQ, and it'll allow you to look at these scripts, okay? Now, once you do that, you can literally copy this script here. You can copy my whole script and basically create this video for yourself. Now, it's going to create a whole different video, right? Let me just show you here. I can copy this script. Now, again, I'm just showing you this as an example. If you do take someone's script, please use your own script and change it up in your own words, because first of all, YouTube's going to notice that it's the same script and it's going to delete your video. So you got to make sure this is way different, and use it as a way to model other people's content. Don't just copy, guys. That's really going to mess you up in the long term, okay? I just want to let you guys know that, but this is just strictly for example purposes, okay? So as you can see here, it's spelled keto wrong, so I'm just going to put, I'm just going to fix that here. And what I can do is create scenes, okay? So what it's going to do, based on the words, it's going to create these video scenes for me, okay? So you can see here, it's creating the scenes, and if I go back to the actual video, based on the actual words per scene, it's going to choose different pictures for you. It literally does this on autopilot. It's just absolutely amazing. So you can see here, there's the video, right? So keto is everywhere. So it changed the video. So this is the beginning of the video here. Watch, let me show you.
Keto is everywhere. It's the new buzzword.
Right, that was the other video I made, but now it just changed it based on, it just randomly generates a new video every time, right? So it's a brand new video. I'm not sure why it's using the same picture here, but basically, what it usually does, I'm not sure why it's doing this right now, but it typically will choose different pictures based on that. But it's really easy to change, guys. If you wanted to change this picture here, you just go ahead and add new scene, add video clip. You can even go over here to the images. You can choose different images based on the actual script. So you can say like lose pounds here, and you can change the image right here on the left, okay? I'm not sure why it's going so slow. 1 second, guys. Here we go. And sometimes it takes a second to upload. It's just, obviously it's creating a brand new video for you. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so now it's lose pounds. Let me see here. Let's see, Slack. Let me see here. Food industry. Here we go. So you can choose different pictures in here and it'll do it for you, but you can actually customize it based on how you want to do it. What I really want to show you guys is the actual, the voiceover. Okay. This is actually really important as well. Okay. So if I go to the voiceover, you can do an auto voice. Okay. It's literally going to do this robotic voice for you. So you can see here.
My name is Heidi, and I would love to read the script for you.
Now, I don't like this robotic voice. I'm going to show you a better software for this, but you can also record your own track. But I know most of you guys probably won't want to do that if you don't want to get on the video, which is 100% fine, right? But you can record your own voice track. You can upload a voice track. Now, what I'm going to recommend is upload your own voice track. But I'm going to show you where to do this, okay? There's a website called, it's called Speechello, okay? Now this website, it's an AI software, but it's very, very smart. It's not like a robotic software. I'm just going to show you an example of this software here, okay?
A good video is not efficient without a good voiceover that tells the actual story. The problem is that not all of us have a nice, friendly voice like Morgan Freeman.
So guys, you can look at the examples here, and this is a legit, it sounds like a legit human, right? And the thing with like Vidnami, it uses more of the robotic voice. That's one thing I would highly recommend is you use like a professional type software, which is the Speechello. So you can actually buy this software. I'm not an affiliate for these guys, so don't worry about that, guys. But you can actually use this software and basically, give them the transcript and then download it. And then all you got to do is upload your own voice track right here. Okay. So upload your own voice track, and then you got a professional video with professional pictures. You got a voiceover, and then you're good to go, guys. Like literally have a whole video, that you didn't do. Like this software does everything for you, right? And to be honest, guys, I started my YouTube channels back in, 2015, 2014, doing it this way because I didn't want to get on camera. Now, obviously, I have the courage to get on camera and use my own voice. But when I first started, I just wanted to get started with YouTube. I wanted to learn how to start making money. And now, obviously, I have my own channel, my own brand. But this is a great way to get into YouTube. Now, I did mention how you can make even more money with this method. Now, there's a website called Clickbank.com. And with this website, guys, you can actually find you can find products within the niche, right? So if we're making basically, let's just say health products, health videos here, you can actually go and add your health product links, right? So you can see here, I have an affiliate link to this health product here, okay? Now, where do I find this? If you go to clickbank.com, you can log in here, you can sign up, and you can go to the marketplace, okay? Now, if you go to the marketplace, I can go over here to health and fitness. And if I go to login, and let me log in real quick, guys, sorry about that. I can log in here and I can literally choose any of these products, right? I can promote any of these products because a lot of these videos are going to go viral, especially these types of of AI type videos. Okay, they're gonna potentially get a ton of views. So what you can monetize with YouTube ad revenue, but more importantly, you can monetize with these affiliate links, right? You can promote these products here. Okay, let's just say I hit promote here. I can generate a hop link, right? Basically, I can take this link and I could post it in my videos, right? I can go over here and now I can post these links right here. Okay, I got this link from Clickbank. When people click on this link, okay, I make money. All right. Not only do I make money from YouTube ad revenue, like Roberta's Gym, right, where she's making, over $2,000 a day. This is strictly ad revenue. I'm also making money with affiliate marketing, right? This is how I've, generated a multiple six-figure income since 2019, and that's how I quit my job as an electrical engineer. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please let me know if you have any questions about the video, about the softwares. Guys, this is a great way to start YouTube without showing your face, using your voice, creating your own software, your own content. Like, this is literally one of the best methods to get started without ever using any of that stuff, guys, because YouTube is definitely the future, okay? And we're just starting out, guys. YouTube, we're just starting out. Yes, it's 10 years old, 12 years old, but like I promise you, like, this is just getting going because people go to YouTube to learn and to get better at their craft, okay? So please, please, please start a YouTube channel. If you're scared to get on camera, use this method. You could start making money with it, whether it's affiliate marketing or YouTube ad revenue or both, like of what I do. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how I've been able to generate over 6 figures with affiliate marketing, I have a 3-day challenge that's going to teach you exactly step by step and click by click. I'm going to leave that in the first link down below. It's going to teach you exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. So please check that link down below. If you have any questions, guys, please leave them in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.